hello everyone, and welcome. I am Kanushri, and really glad you're here with us today. Before we jump in, I want to take a moment to introduce the organization behind this session. Let's Unbound. Let's Unbound works with students across more than 25 countries, helping them build strong STEM foundations, real world life skills, and genuine academic confidence. Their mission is both ambitious and personal to make sure every student has the essential skills they need by 18 and is on track toward their bigger goals by 35 with the kind of support and mentorship that actually makes a difference. Through programs in skill development, gifted assessment, college prep, and Ivy League pathways, Let's Unbound has worked with over 4,000 learners, logged more than 125,000 teaching hours, and holds a global rating of 4.9 out of 5. Behind those numbers is something consistent, a real commitment to helping students not just score well, but become stronger thinkers and more capable people. As we get into today's SAT Math Mastery Masterclass, your path to a perfect 800, I'd like to invite you to hold that bigger picture in mind. The strategy and discipline you build here doesn't stay on the test page. It carries forward. Over to you, Anjali.
Thank you, Kanishri. Hello, everyone. Welcome you all. Thank you so much for joining us today. So my name is Anjali Malik. I'm set maths expert from 5 years. I'm helping students with the strategies and proper approach to just improve your score and start your preparation. So today, let's just get started with this masterclass. I'm presenting my screen. I hope you can all see my screen in a moment. Kanishri, can you please confirm if you can see my screen?
It's loading. I think we'll just wait for a few seconds. Perfect.
Okay, thank you so very much for this. Now let's just see what are we going to learn for this masterclass. We will be focusing on, first of all, the introduction about the SAT maths. If you are already preparing, then you might have done any attempt or you are just about to start your preparation. So this will be helping you at every step. What are the common traps that usually student faces? What are the mistakes that can possibly be happen? How to avoid it? And the major thing, time management. Time is the key here. So we will be discussing all these things